Hey, what's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Ligonier here. Just wanted to give you a quick update on Legacy 2.0. So as you're tuning in, say hey, let me know where you're coming in from. I'm tuning in from, well, I'm from Brooklyn, New York, but actually I'm in the suburbs right now. So I'm tuning in from New York. And as you're coming in, put hashtag live in the comments. And if you're watching the replay, put hashtag replay. Hey, what's going on, Eugene? Appreciate you coming through. Appreciate that. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and give you guys an update on Legacy 2.0. Oh my God. So I just got finished setting up my Freedom Machine and also a client of mine. And I have to say that this thing is fire. It is truly a Freedom Machine. I'm loving the automation. The automation is definitely set up for us to get sales and to work for us on our behalf while we're doing the things that we love. And the updates are incredible. So just reading through the copies, reading through the emails, reading through the capture pages, the sales page, everything is set up for us to win. So even if you are a newbie in this space and you're not sure what to do, because I remember when I started in this industry in 2010, I didn't know anything either. So this is definitely for the newbie marketer, the intermediate marketer, and the advanced. So you have the flexibility to set up your Freedom Machine to your liking, right? And then if you're like how I was and you didn't know what your liking was, you can just leave it as is, because the way it is set up, you are going to have success. The copy is proven. All the copy is proven. Everything has been proven. And it is just set up for us to really win. So all we have to do right now, once you have everything set up and you follow the step-by-step videos, because it's really, really simple. Hey, Shanice, what's up? What's going on? So once you follow the videos, they're really simple to follow, step by step. Like, you know how you color you have the color to the number. It's like that. Really, really easy, lemon squeezy to follow. And you can customize it to any way you want. So that's what I love. And even if you don't have the ability, you're not really sure how to customize it, you can leave it as is, because it's just as effective. It is proven, okay, and high converting, and that's what you want. So the next step is that I will be doing is plugging in every day, because we will have a video that we will be watching every day to get tips and strategies and mindset and everything that we need to be successful in the program. So our mentor shows up every day, so we need to show up every day. And once she gives us the strategy or whatever it is we're doing for the day, then we go out and we do it. So our job really is to market and to bring people into our funnel, bring people to our capture page, because the system will do the rest. That is all that we have to do, y'all. That is it. So if this is something that you want to learn more about, make sure that you comment below this video, legacy. And then what I'll do is send over the information so that you can be informed. Now check this out. I will also be sending you the Freedom Blueprint. Yeah, so you're gonna have a Freedom Blueprint that you'll be able to download. So check this out. When you click on the link, you're going to put in your best email, because that's how I'm gonna send it to you. So make sure that after you put in your best email, you check your spam folder just in case, because sometimes it goes there. right? That way you can take it out of the spam and whitelist it so that you can continue to get emails from me that's going to help you in your online journey. So while that is happening, you are going to meet my mentor, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about the system and what you'll get. And it may be something that you may like, you know? So that way you'll have the PDF that you'll be able to download, so you'll know exactly what it is that we're doing. It's broken down so nicely, very professional. It's an upgrade from what we had before. Totally amazing. I think you're gonna love it. So make sure that you do that. And if you have any questions, get back to me. But that's the update so far. So my Freedom Machine is done. My clients is about to be done. Probably I just have a few more things to do to get her going. But yeah, this thing is amazing. Just reading through everything. And I forgot to tell y'all, I already started the certification program. Oh my God. It's like, okay, so I've been doing this kind of work since 2010. And when I am not the same person I was back in 2010, I ain't no jack back then. So when as I'm going through the program, I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that, because you market the way you market and you do what you do, but there's a lot of little things you may forget. So this certification has brought back so much that I forgot about that. I'm like, yeah, I could be doing this, I could be doing that to make it even better. So yeah, this certification thing is so cool. And the thing that I really appreciate about it, you know how 6 and 7 figure earners or influencers, they say that you need to know your numbers, right? So we all know we need to know our numbers, but I love the way she broke down how you would understand your numbers and what it is that you need to do. So she broke it down like a little formula, and she was like, okay, if you see this, then you know you need to do a little bit of that. If your numbers look like that, then you need to do this. And I was like, wow, yeah. Because a lot of times when we are doing our business, we're creating our content, and we're doing what we do. We basically, now she calls me, hey, I'm doing a live, I'll call you right back. Okay, so that's my business partner, I gotta answer. But what I love is that she pretty much broke down everything that we need to do so that we know our numbers. And our numbers, we should change things according to our numbers, not our emotion. And a lot of times that's the biggest mistake that we do. We may market a certain way, use certain images, use certain copy, and then all of a sudden we just change up because we're like, I don't feel like putting that no more. But you know what? If it's working, why would you change it? Right? It's crazy. So she teaches you to look at your numbers every week, and then you look at what's happening with your numbers so that you can determine what it is that you need to tweak. Sometimes it's nothing, right? And then a lot of times we're all in our heads thinking like, oh my God, I'm doing something wrong. But we got to realize there are certain percentages when it comes to opening up emails. There's a certain percentage, and a lot of times you might be writing that percentage, but in your mind you're thinking like, oh my God, this is not working. I'm gonna have to do this, I'm gonna have to do that. So in that certification, you're gonna learn the percentages of opens when it comes to emails, and what is considered good, great, and amazing. And a lot of times we fall in that good space, but we don't really know customarily what the numbers are. So you're going to learn what those numbers are when it comes to email opens, when it comes to capture pages and traffic coming to your capture pages versus people clicking on it. Opening it versus people clicking on it. So she teaches you how to look at all that stuff so that you can determine what your next move is. How cool is that? Instead of just guessing, instead of just like throwing something up against the wall and hoping that it sticks. So you don't have to operate like that now. So it's so important to get this certification so you can get the knowledge that you need so you'll know how to move forth in your business. That's the whole point in being a part of the legacy builders. And then 2.0 is just off the chain. So right now, when people join me, they're going to automatically join me at the 2.0 level so that they can get the certification, so that they can get everything that they need, their freedom system, the mentorship daily, the community support, everything that's needed is right in the system. And then guess what? You'll notice that all the other income streams that you have, you will market them differently because you're going to know more than what you know now. So that's the beauty of it. Most of us have more than one income stream, but here you learn how to market your stuff. You learn how to market whatever it is that you're offering. You'll learn who to market it to. A lot of times we make mistakes because we're marketing to everyone. That's like one of the biggest mistakes. You figured if you market to everyone, somebody gonna click. Well, how about marketing to your target audience, to a particular target audience that would be interested in what it is that you have? How about that? So that's a smaller population, but guess what? You'll get more sales that way because it's targeted. That's just like you marketing meat to a vegan. Like, why would you do that? So you got all these people in front of you and half of them are vegan. So they'll listen to your video. They'll look at your graphic, especially if it's eye-catching. But guess what? They're not going to click. They're not going to take action because that's not what they do. So the other half, yeah, you get some traction on that part, but you done lost a whole audience because you were marketing to the wrong audience. So you're going to learn who you should be marketing to and who your target audience is, especially if you don't know who that is. You're going to go through a process so that you understand that. And then when you make your content will be relevant for the people that's in front of it. So, that's just like the little icing on the cake, right? There's just so much that you're going to learn in this system when it comes to marketing online. And the beauty of it is that my mentor made $5 million without posting one ad. She did not do ads. She does not teach going out there and paying for ads. So we don't pay for ads over here. Everything is organic. And you know what? Organic is better. I like it because guess what? When you post ads, people will click on it, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they will buy because people buy from those they know, like, and trust, right? So when you do it organically, you're building the know, like, and trust. So people may not buy from you right away, but guess what? They're in your funnel. They're on your email list. So you are going to be appearing in front of them each and every day until they feel like, oh, well, you know what? I think I'm ready to buy from her or him. I like her vibe. I like his vibe. You know what I'm saying? So it's important that when you're in a program like this, that you exercise patience. Now, I've been into something similar to this back in 2010, and I wanted to make money fast, right? I just wanted my system set up all fast, and I wanted to get the leads, but I didn't realize that because I was trying to set everything up so fast, I didn't take the time to read through everything, because when I realized what I was missing out on was, how could I share the program if I don't even know really what to say? But you know what? When you read through everything, the lead capture pages, when you read through the emails, when you read through everything, you get a better understanding of what it is that you have. But this program has a certification program component. So she's going to break everything down, everything you need to know about marketing, everything. And so you want to take your time, you want to put it together, you want to read and make sure that everything is right. So when you go out there and you start sharing and people come into your freedom system, the system is going to work for you the way it needs to work, because it's set up properly. I was trying to rush and get it done, and I was missing stuff. There were certain places where people clicked and they didn't go nowhere. You don't want that. So you want to take your time. And once you take your time and get things set up right, you will be rewarded in the way that you're looking to be rewarded. So I'm learning these days that it takes patience to make money, right? Because you have to set things up. You have to not only set things up, but to set things up right. If you agree with me, put in the comments like, yeah, Daria. Put some fire emojis like, word, you said something. You said a mouthful there, because it's true. It's true. I know what it's like to keep going back like, oh my God, I forgot to do this. Oh my God, I didn't set that up right. People coming to you like, oh, it's not working. I don't know why. You don't want that. Because that's a sale you could have lost, because that person was ready to buy right then and there. They had their card in their hand and the system didn't work right. You know how many sales I lost because I didn't have my system set up right, because I'm rushing, trying to get it together? No, take your time. Make sure everything is right. This is any system, any funnel system you have. Make sure it's right. Then you go out there, and then it's going to do right by you, because you had to have it set up correctly. So you test it out, have a couple of people look at it, just making sure that everything is good, click every button. That's what we do. And she teaches you that. She teaches you that in the setup. She teaches you all of that in the certification. And I would say now I'm about, because I did some modules this morning, so I might be about halfway there. So I'll let you know. But right now I am loving this thing, because one of the things that's so important is knowing your numbers. That conversion thing, that whole section she do, that's worth some serious dollars there. Because a lot of times people just change up things based on their gut, but they don't really have the numbers and the statistics to back it up. So you'll have your numbers, and then you'll understand what to do with those numbers, because you'll know what those numbers mean. So I hope that I'm making sense. So if this is something that you would like to check out, just make sure below this video you put legacy, and I will send you my information. And along with the information, you will get the Freedom Blueprint, and that you will be able to download and read through. But make sure when you do that, when you go to my website and put in your best email, just make sure you check your spam, because sometimes it just goes there, All right. So with that said, I will be back with another update. Have a great evening, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for coming through. Peace out, y'all.